Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. The first, let me introduce myself. My name is Febriana Hayu Prasetyani. I'm a college student at STKIP Kusuma Negara Jakarta, program Math Education. This video created as one of the authors of a mathematical English project powerful by Mr. Wisnukala MPD. Today, I'm going to discuss and answer some questions about decimal notation. Next, what is the decimal notation? The decimal notation is the representation of a fraction using the base 10 and consisting of a decimal point. The example is 0.7. Next question and solution number 1. Write the following as fraction. Option A, 0.1. The solution is step 1, define an equation. Let x equals 0.1. Step 2, multiply by 10 and both sides. 10x equals 1. Step 3, simplify. X equals 1 over 10. Option B, 0.12. The solution is step 1, define an equation. Let x equals 0.12. Step 2, multiply by 100 and both sides. 100x equals 12. Step 3, simplify. X equals 12 over 100 equals 3 over 25. Number 1, option C, 0.58. The solution, step 1, define an equation. Let x equals 0.58. Step 2, multiply by 100 and both sides. 100x equals 58. Step 3, simplify. X equals 58 over 100 equals 29 over 50. Option D, 0.2589. The solution, step 1, define an equation. Let x equals 0.2589. Step 2, multiply by 10,000 and both sides. 10,000 equals 2,589. Simplify. X equals 2,589 over 10,000. Number 2. Write the following using the recurring decimal notation. Option A, 0.1111. The solution, step 1, define an equation. Let x equals 0.111. Multiply by 10 on both sides. 10x equals 1.111. Step 3, subtract the first equation from the second equation. 9x equals 1. Simplify. X equals 1 over 9. Number 2, point B, 0.121212. The solution. Step 1. Define an equation. Let x equals 0.121212. Step 2. Multiply by 100 on both sides. 100x equals 12.121212. Step 3. Subtract the first equation from the second equation. 99x equals 12. Step 4. Simplify. X equals 12 over 99 equals 4 over 3. Option C. 0.123123. The solution. Step 1. Define an equation. Let x equals 0.123123. Step 2. Multiply by 1000 on both sides. 1000x equals 123.123. Step 3. Subtract the first equation from the second equation. 999x equals 123. Simplify. X equals 123 over 999. Option D. 0.11414541454145. 0.11454145 equals 0.11 plus 0.0041454145 equals 0.11 plus x. Define an equation. Let x equals 0.0041454145. Step 2. Multiply by 100 on both sides. 100x equals 0.41454145. Multiply by 1 million on both sides. 1 million x equals 4145.41454145. Step 4. Subtract the second equation from the third equation. 990,900 x equals 4145. Simplify. X equals 4145 over 990,900. Step 6. Substitution. X to 0.11 plus x. 0.11 plus x equals 11 over 100 plus 4145 over 999,900. Simplify. X equals 114,134 over 990,900. Number 3. Option A. 2 over 3. The solution is divided between numerator and denominator. 2 over 3 equals 2 divided 3 equals 0.6666. Option B, 1 and 3 over 11. The solution. Step 1, convert to common fraction. 1 and 3 over 11 equals 14 over 11. Step 2, divide it between numerator and denominator. 14 over 11 equals 14 divided 11 equals 1.272727. Option C, 4 and 5 over 6. The step 1, convert to common fraction. 4 and 5 over 6 equals 29 over 6. Step 2, divide it between numerator and denominator. 29 over 6 equals 29 divided 6 equals 4.833. Option D, 2 and 1 over 9. The solution. Step 1, convert to common fraction. 2 and 1 over 9 equals 19 over 9. Divide it between numerator and denominator. 19 over 9 equals 19 divided 9 equals 2.111. Number 4. Write the following decimal in fractional form. Option A, 0.5. 0.5 equals 0.555. Okay, the solution. Step 1, define an equation. Let x equals 0.555. Step 2, multiply by 10 and both sides. 10x equals 5. Step 3, simplify. X equals 5 over 10 equals a half. Option B, 0.63. The 0.63 equals 0.6333 equals 0.6 plus 0.0333. 0.6 plus x. Step 1, define an equation. Let x equals 0.0333 multiply by 10 and both sides. 10x equals 0.333. Step 3, multiply by 100 on both sides. 100x equals 3.333. Step 4, subtract the second equation from the third equation. 90x equals 3. Step 3, simplify. X equals 3 over 19 equals 1 over 30. Step 6, substitution x to 0.6 plus x. 0.6 plus x equals 6 over 10 plus 1 over 30. Step 7, simplify. X equals 19 over 30. Number 4, option C, 5.31. Step 1, Let x equals 5.313131. Step 2. Multiply by 10 and both sides. 100x equals 531.313131. Step 3. Subtract the first equation from the second equation. 99x equals 531. Step 4. Simplify. X equals 526 equals 99. Thank you. Goodbye and see you again.